my purpose in life is actually my family. I wake up in the morning knowing that we're family. That's already my purpose. I feel like I could not ask for more.
Can I have a napkin, please?
Kalman mo si Timothy. Makikain.
Sophia, I guess. To tag LunaAura.ph on all socials with this hashtag as well. Thank you so much, Nika. Dito na muna kami ni Sophia to share the same stage with two beautiful women. Oh my gosh. Ikaw mamaya ka na. Mamaya na, rest ka lang doon. Oo. So thank you, thank you. How about a round of applause for co-founder of LunaAura, Nika Alenis once again. There you go. Hello, Sophia, kumusta ka naman? How are you?
First of all, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat na nandito. You know, the weather has been so bad. But then, you guys are still here joining us today. You know, your time and effort is so much important to me. I appreciate all of you guys. Hindi ko kayo makakalimutan kung sino yung mga nandito today.
Wow! Sino ba pumunta dito para sa LunaAura? Ay? Sino mga pumunta para sa LunaAura? Sino mga pumunta para kay Sophia Andres? Lakas ng hatak natin.
Also, I want to congratulate JC and Nika for this. This is such a successful product. And you guys have been trusting me. I'm so thankful. I never thought na may brand pa that will really trust me. Since I'm not active on TV, you know.
My gosh, you are too humble, Sophia. Beautiful and humble. Diba? So how about a round of applause? Sophia and Full Aura. Nandito po kami sa stage ngayon. Now, you know, we asked our attendees to send in their questions, so we'll be asking you a few of them. Number one, ready na kayo. You started as a commercial model when you were as young as 3 years old. My goodness.
Imagine.
Parang 3 years old ka pa rin hanggang ngayon, no? Can you share a super vivid memory from those early days?
I started when I was bigger, right? Because I was really key guy. I was so art and I love going to auditions, being on screen. I really enjoyed it. So sabi ng mom ko, okay, I'll support you. So nagtuloy-tuloy siya. I did fashion shows, commercials, and until when I turned 12, nagpaalam na ako, baka mali ako mag-artista. And she goes, baka makalimutan niyo pag-aaral mo. I said, no, I can do this. Kasi payagan mo lang ako. Then yun na, nagtuloy-tuloy na siya. And I think I am with Star Magic for, let's say, maybe like 15 years. Yeah, so I've been working my whole life, which I never thought that I was working na back then. Kasi what do I know? I thought I was just having fun. It was really fun. And I'm still here. Yeah.
So thank you so much for sharing that, no? As early as 3 years old, you were already working and having fun. So can I invite, before I head on to the second question, I'd like to invite our two co-founders, JC and Nika, to join us here on stage for the Q&A. More people, more fun. Yes. Okay, so ito na, we've touched on Sophia Andres being an actress and a model as early as she was 3 years old. Now on to being a role model naman. You've played many roles in your life and you're also a role model, especially to many young people. So what makes a person a good role model? And do you see yourself as a good role model?
Do I see myself as a role model? I think I do. If you guys really follow me on social media, I really show off my family and my friends. I would die for them. Well, can I say kill for them? I would because, you know, love really fuels me up. And hindi ako iiyak ha. Mawawala yung glow ko.
Hindi mawawala ang glow. Yun ang magic ng Hope Glow Super. Kahit umiyak ka pa dyan. You will still be glowing.
The love for my family talaga is always there. I think nag-reflect sa followers. And I think they know that I really fight for what I have and for what I believe in. So I think that's my power.
So just not being anyone else but yourself, being your authentic self.
Yes.
What you see right now is also what you see on social media, diba? So you're not good role model ka, and that's what makes a person a good role model. Now, you once said this in an interview, while my journey may not resemble a fairy tale, it is filled with love, growth, and a deep sense of purpose. So walang iyakan today, but could you tell us more about how you've grown on your journey and how would you define your purpose, Nadim?
My purpose in life is actually my family. I wake up in the morning knowing that we're family. That's already my purpose. I feel like I could not ask for more.
Can I have a napkin, please? This is nag-escalate itong question na to real quick. Napakita talaga sa atin ni Sofia na kahit emotional na tong interview portion natin. Nakaka-glow pa rin siya.
Yeah.
Super glow pa rin si Mommy dito sa harap.
Yeah. Along the journey, I realized that we cannot have everything. But now I feel like waking up in the morning feeling that I'm so complete. God, we're also mom. So even though hindi tuloy-tuloy my projects and everything, but still I'm given much blessings because I appreciate the blessings that's going my way. And I think that's the best feeling on earth, being a mom. That's the best feeling for me. And although it's slowing down my career, for me it's the best because I have time for my daughter, I have time with my family, and at the end of the day, family is all you have.
That is such a good mindset. But if you don't mind, I know you're being super humble. I don't think your career is going down. In fact, I think your career is branching out to new directions. Actually, kaya ako nakarelate din. Kasi parang ganun din when you become a mother, di ba? Parang they say na, baka something ends. But no, it's new opportunities for you, different.
I think I'm just too harsh on myself. I always have to I'm workaholic in a sense. Parang feeling ko, I have to do more. I want to explore more. I'm just really happy that I'm with Hope Glow. Seriously. I'm gonna nag-accomplish. Gusto ko yun.
Can I just say, this is also the main reason why we love Sofia so much and why we chose her to be the first celebrity endorser of Hope Glow. Her realness, how raw and unfiltered she is, and how, it's rare to find people who still wear their hearts on their sleeves. Kasi now, especially with cancel culture, people always having an opinion about your life. Not everyone will agree with everything all the time. So it takes a special kind of person to stay true to themselves, lalo na if they're in public. No?
That's super right. And that mindset that you have, you don't compare yourself to other people. Yeah, that's something that we should all emulate. Next question na, baka pati ako medyo emotion.
Chumayong na ako para makakalma ng boses ni
You've been on camera for most of your life, so how would you say our definition, like society's definition of beauty, has changed through the years? Ang ganda nito.
Knowing myself, I would say beauty is always on the inside, no matter what. Kasi nag-reflect yan on the outside. So that's why Hope Glow is perfect, because it's inside, from inside to outside. So.
Thank you. Now, I know that question was directed to Sofia, but since the two of you are co-founders are here, I'm sure kaya kayo may Lunang Aura.
May pa-society yung West.
Diba? May pa-society.
May pa-society.
Yes. Learned tayo. We cultured here. Okay, so may I direct the question also to JC and Nika?
I think, our audience today are people from the media, so they themselves are the eyes of our culture. And from the early days of Sofia's career until now, there's really been a shift, I think, of how beauty is defined. Gone are the days na beauty is naka-template. There's one kind of beautiful. This is the kind of beautiful everyone aspires to be that. No? And you might say, wow, that's rich coming from a glutathione brand. But it's true, no? Na parang these days, people have the freedom to express themselves on how they want to be perceived. And, you know, it's wonderful. Parang that's also why, I mean, kung mapapansin nyo, parang hindi namin pinili yung pinakamaputing artista. Di ba? Obviously.
True.
Yeah.
Ganda ng natin.
Because for us, it didn't matter. It didn't matter. We wanted somebody who could truly exhibit beauty from the inside out. And I think we've made the right choice.
Nika, you wanna add on this?
I want to add now, kasi when we launched Sophia as our first ever celebrity endorser, maraming comments sa TikTok na buti na lang hindi kayo kumuha ng maputi. First time na hindi maputi.
Oh, I love the senior art.
And we always say na ever since, glutathione is not just for whitening. The benefits go beyond whitening. And si Sophia, she loves Hope Glow Super because it gives her the glow, gives her the confidence, diba? And glutathione natin talaga. So,
Yeah, so from the briefer, natutunan ko rin na hindi lang papaputi talaga ang glutathione. As a geek myself, I love it when it said na it boosts your immunity system. Bilang the skin nga, di ba, is the largest organ in the body. Yun talaga, di ba, gusto natin na ma-boost yung immune system at ang ating skin ang exposed sa lahat ng mga free radicals. Now, for the second one, what advice would you give to other busy moms or working women who want to maintain their glow but struggle with time? Yun nga, sabi mo na kanina. Pero ulit-ulitin natin para paulit-ulit rin nila, nakatatak sa utak nila kung ano ang sagot dito sa mga tanong na to.
Imposible yung moms walang time when it comes to pagpapaganda. And I think Hope Glow is really perfect for you because it's only one tablet every morning. I think it's super easy and then the effect is forever. You know, the glow will be there. And it's, you know, what's to like take one tablet in the morning and, you know.
Yan lang pitch niya. She's pitching now.
Kasi, diba, syempre importante pa rin that you look presentable and you look, I mean, healthy with your family, your friends.
Thank you so much, Sophia. Oo.
Mag-aala ako sa pitch ni Sophia. I don't know when this happened or paano nangyari ito, pero a lot of us have been taking vitamin C religiously every day for a long time. Kung magsa-stop ka man, sandali lang, pero itutuloy mo rin. It's that ingrained in your routine. Normal lang, dead pa lang. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. Oh, I think vitamin, ano something that you need everyone? Vitamin C. That's it. That's it.
And it's all in one.
And, yes, exactly. Hope Glow has vitamin C already, aside from the other ingredients. So, that's our wish, actually, na sana magkaroon po ng time na taking Hope Glow is not a big deal. You just then na lang. Every day, you just take 1 capsule, 2 capsules per day.
Like how we take
Like how we take other supplements.
Yes, right. Okay.
It does magic.
Magic. Kita naman. I am sold. Maya-maya nandyan na ako.